Good morning, students. So let us take question number 2. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2, comma 14. The next part is how many more such lines are there and why. So let us see the first part. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2, comma 14. So 2, comma 14. So the question is, we have to make two lines, or we have to make two linear equations such that it passes through this point 2, comma 14. So what we'll do, see, suppose let us take this one as x, okay, and this 14 is suppose y. Now you just try to compare, just try to relate how 2 and 14 are different. We can write like this: 14 is 12 more than 2. We can write like this: 14 is 12 more than 2, or we can say 14 is 7 times of 2, or we can write like this: 14 minus 2 into 7 equal to 0. So like this we can write as much we want. Now 14, what was our 14? 14 was y. It means we can write like this: 14 is y, so y equal to 12 plus, what was our 2? X. So we can have one question like this: y equal to 12 plus x. You can check it. When x value is 2, that is 12 plus 2 will give you 14, that is 14. Let us see the second one. 14 is equal to 7 into 2. So 14 means y equal to 7 into 2. 2 is x. So we can have one more equation like this: y equal to 7x. Check it. If x equal to 2, then 7 2 ja 14. So y value will be equal to 14. Let us make the third linear equation. 14 means y minus 2 into 7. What was our 2? 2 was our x. So x into 7. So in this manner we can make as much equation as much we want. So there is no end. So we can have infinite number of such linear equations. So this will be our second part. How many more such lines are there and why? So we have to write there are uncountable lines. Like this we can draw uncountable, or we can say we can have infinite numbers of lines. Are you clear? So through any coordinate we can have infinite number of linear equations. Let us move to question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Now what is the question? The question is trying to explain that this coordinate, that is 3, 4, it lies on this line. That means this line segment, or not line segment, this linear equation passes through this line. That means 3y equal to ax plus 7. This linear equation in two variable passes through this line. So passes through this point, that is 3, 4. So we can say this value is x and this value is y. So now we can put the values of x as 3 and y as 4 in this equation. So let us put 3 into y. What is our y? Y is 4. a into x. X means 3 plus 7. So what we have done, we have substituted the value of x and y as 3 and 4. So now 3 into 4 is 12. A into 3 we can write as 3a plus 7. So now this plus 7 we can transfer to the left hand side. So 12 minus 7 equal to 3a. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 equal to 3a. Or you can say a equal to 5 by 3. So in such type of problems, when any line segment or when any linear equation passes through any given coordinate, it means we have to substitute the value of x with the corresponding x1 and y with the corresponding y1.